How to fix an error occurred while authenticating with Rockstar Games services in Windows 11. Hello friends, while launching GTA and some other games using Epic Games Launcher, this error appears. Follow the steps to fix it. Download Rockstar Games Launcher. If you are a new user, then go to the launcher page using the link in the video description. This is the Rockstar Games Launcher page. Click on Download for Windows. Wait until the download is completed. Click over here to install the Rockstar Games Launcher. Click on Yes on User Account Control. I have already installed this launcher, so this message is showing. Follow the on-screen instructions and install the launcher. After installation, log into the Rockstar Games launcher. Launch the game via this launcher. I hope the GTA will start running. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.